channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2020 4th generation. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was to and fro with myself in regards to whether I wanted to go for the iPad Pro or the MacBook, and I actually tried the MacBook Air, and you know what, I felt like it wasn't for me, so I went ahead and got this purchase instead. So just like my iPhone 11, this iPad also has the dual camera setup. It comes with a charging plug, a charging cable, some instructions. Does anybody know what those stickers are actually for? If you're familiar with Apple products, if you own other Apple products yourself, then the setup will be relatively straightforward for yourselves. So let's talk about the camera. I am very impressed. I wasn't quite sure how the camera would look on the iPad, even though it's supposed to be similar to the iPhone 11. The sound on this iPad is fantastic, as you've just heard, and actually the mic is also just as good, as I'm currently doing my narration with this iPad. So here's my unboxing in just about 2 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!